Out in the real world, things don't always go according to plan. Power grids fail, storms hit without warning, and vehicles break down miles from help. Sometimes the difference between panic and control comes down to the tools in your pocket. In this video, we're looking at survival gadgets every man should have. Compact, clever gear built to perform when things get unpredictable. Some can start a fire in seconds, purify water, signal for help, or give you an edge far from civilization. Every tool proves that the right gear at the right moment can make all the difference. Let's dive in. 8 seconds. That's all it takes to turn questionable water into something you can safely drink. The Grail GeoPress is an all-in-one water purification bottle designed for travelers, hikers, and emergency kits where clean water cannot be guaranteed. Instead of complicated pumps or fragile filters, it uses a simple system. Fill it with untreated water, press down, and drink. The entire purification process takes about 8 seconds to produce 24 ounces of clean water, making it one of the fastest portable purifiers available. The system provides global-level protection against biological contaminants. Its purifier cartridge removes 99.99% of viruses, 99.9999% of bacteria, and 99.9% of protozoan cysts, including organisms such as E. coli, salmonella, giardia, and cryptosporidium that commonly contaminate untreated water sources. What makes the GeoPress more than a typical filter is its dual purification technology. The cartridge combines electrode sorption media with ultra-powdered activated carbon, allowing it to remove particulates like silt and microplastics while also reducing chemicals, pesticides, heavy metals, FAS, and VOCs. The carbon layer also improves taste, odor, and water clarity, making even unpleasant water sources far more drinkable. Speed and durability are central to the design. Each press purifies 24 ounces at a flow rate of roughly 5 liters per minute, and the bottle is engineered to handle harsh outdoor conditions, including drops onto hard surfaces. The purifier cartridge is rated for about 350 uses, or roughly 65 gallons of water, before replacement becomes necessary. An unused cartridge can remain stored for up to 10 years, making it practical for emergency preparedness kits that may sit unused for long periods. Imagine having reliable protection from wind and rain in under 1 minute, no knots or extra gear required. The T60 Emergency Shelter System by Coalcracker Bushcraft is an ultralight packable survival shelter designed for rapid deployment when you need cover fast. It weighs just 6 ounces and packs down to a compact 7 by 5 inches, making it easy to stow in a backpack, vehicle kit, or bug-out bag. Made from durable xenon fabric, a lightweight polyester material with a robust waterproof rating, the T60 provides dependable protection from the elements when conditions turn harsh. It sets up quickly using built-in tie-outs and loops. Simply pull the shelter out of its sewn-in storage pouch, secure the reflective tie-outs to waist-height anchor points like trees, and stake the rear corners using tent pegs or suitable sticks found on the ground. When deployed, the shelter measures approximately 86 inches long by 65 inches wide, offering enough overhead space for basic lean-to configurations or simple tarp coverage. The integrated design eliminates the need for separate rope or external gear for setup, making it ideal for emergency sheltering, lightweight camping, and survival kits where quick, reliable protection is essential. The Vargo Titanium Triad Multi-Fuel Stove is an ultralight backpacking stove engineered for versatility and simplicity. It weighs approximately 1.0 ounce or 30 grams and is made entirely from solid titanium, giving it exceptional strength and corrosion resistance while keeping its weight to a minimum, ideal for minimalist backcountry kits. The stove's multi-fuel design lets you use different types of fuel depending on availability. Upright, it functions as an alcohol stove compatible with denatured, ethyl, or methyl alcohol. Flipped over, an indented bottom well lets you burn solid fuel tabs or fuel gels, giving you fuel flexibility on extended trips or in areas where liquid fuel is hard to source. With its folding legs and integrated pot supports, the Triad provides a stable cooking platform for mugs and small pots. When open, its diameter is about 3.5 inches, and when folded it shrinks to about 2.9 inches, making it easy to nest with other gear. The stove typically burns for about 20 minutes on alcohol and roughly 12 minutes on fuel tabs, though actual times can vary with conditions and fuel type. The design is straightforward with minimal maintenance required. Fill, ignite, support your pot, and cook. In real-world use, a half-liter of water can boil in roughly 5 to 8 minutes when using liquid alcohol under optimal conditions, though performance varies with wind and temperature. A chainsaw that fits in your pocket sounds impossible until you see this thing tear through a log. The Campendor Pocket Chainsaw is a compact manual cutting tool built for survival kits, camping gear, and bushcraft setups where carrying a full saw or axe simply isn't practical. Instead of a rigid blade, it uses a flexible chain design that folds into a small pouch but expands into a powerful wood-cutting tool when needed. At the core of the design is a 36-inch cutting chain made from heat-treated 65 mm carbon steel, a material known for its strength, edge retention, and resistance to wear during repeated outdoor use. The steel also contains manganese, which helps absorb shock and reduce vibration during long cutting sessions. Cutting efficiency comes from its dual-action tooth system. The chain includes 48 aggressive cutting teeth designed to slice wood in both directions, allowing each push and pull stroke to remove material and speed up the cut. Many models also combine tiger claw cutting teeth with clog-clearing teeth that push debris out of the cut, helping prevent the chain from binding in dense or wet wood. The chain is paired with durable nylon handles that give you leverage and control during use. When tension is applied between both hands, the chain bites into wood and works much like a traditional chainsaw chain, just powered entirely by human strength. Despite its cutting capability, portability remains the biggest advantage. The entire tool weighs roughly half a pound and folds into a compact carry pouch that fits easily into a backpack, vehicle kit, or emergency bag. Imagine a survival alarm system that doesn't rely on batteries, power grids, or Wi-Fi. That's exactly where 5th Ops perimeter trip alarms stand out. These rugged, fully mechanical devices are built to give you dependable early warning and signaling in remote or off-grid environments, making them useful for campsites, base camps, gear security, or any situation where you want immediate recognition of movement along a line or boundary. 5th Ops offers multiple models, including the Gen 3 Perimeter Trip Alarm and the Gen 4 2-in-1 Trip and Rescue Alarm. Both use 12-gauge blank rounds or adapter loads to create a sharp, attention-getting sound when a hidden tripwire is triggered. The Gen 3 model works with standard 12-gauge blanks and adapters like .22 power load, 209 shotgun primers, or 308 blank adapters for a range of alert types. The Gen 4 expands that with a screw-on load collar and adds the ability to fire 12-gauge rescue flares for visual signaling in emergencies. These devices are fully mechanical and don't require power or connectivity, so they function reliably in rain, snow, and remote locations without Wi-Fi or cellular signal. Because they use blanks or adapters, the noise doesn't come from live ammunition, and the system is designed for signaling and deterrence rather than injury. Fifth Ops recommends lubricating the internal springs with gun oil for weather resistance and consistent performance over time. What if your next survival lifeline wasn't a bulky kit, but a card you already carry every day? Meet the Adventure 3.0, a credit card-sized survival multi-tool from Mr. F Multi-Tools that compresses real capability into a form factor you carry every day. At first glance, it looks like a simple wallet card, but over 40 tools are integrated into its laser-cut design, giving you utility you wouldn't expect from something this thin. The stainless steel version is hardened to a premium edge for durability and long-lasting sharpness, while a titanium version weighs only about 1.4 ounces, making it one of the lightest full-function multi-tools you can carry. This combination of strength and portability makes Adventure 3.0 ideal for everyday carry setups, minimalist survival kits, or bug-out bags where every ounce and inch matters. What makes Adventure 3.0 truly stand out is how you can turn it into practical tools on demand. Its blade edge can function on its own or be lashed to a stick to act as a compact axe or hatchet for chopping small wood. Multiple built-in tools handle everyday needs like opening bottles and cans, cutting cord, acting as wrenches and screwdrivers, and even measuring with ruler markings. The card form also incorporates items like a sundial for rough orientation, wire benders, and various drivers for quick field repairs, all without bulky gear. What if every sip of water you took in the wild could be guaranteed safe, even straight from a puddle? The Pure2Go portable water purifier makes that possible. This travel-ready water purification system does more than just filter water, it destroys harmful microbes on contact. Its proprietary purification media eliminates more than 99.9% of waterborne bacteria and more than 99.9% of viruses, exceeding the ANSI P231 and 53 standards, which are the industry benchmarks for microbiological water purifiers. Unlike basic filters that only trap contaminants, Pure2Go actively neutralizes microbes as water flows through, providing instantly potable water without chemicals, boiling, or lengthy treatment times. The system features replaceable purification cartridges that can be removed, cleaned, and reused, extending the life of the unit and ensuring dependable performance for hikers, travelers, backpackers, and emergency kits. Portability is a core strength. The unit weighs approximately 6.3 ounces and measures about 7 inches tall with a 2-inch diameter body, making it compact enough to fit in a backpack or travel kit. Many kits include a collapsible 20-ounce source water bottle that attaches directly to the purifier, blending convenience with serious protection wherever you go, from remote streams and rivers to unpredictable travel destinations. The Pure2Go portable water purifier combines durable construction with an ergonomic design to deliver safe drinking water in minutes, making every outdoor adventure worry-free. Three tools. 1 pocket. And when things go sideways, you'll want all three. The Nebo Pal Plus multi-tool flashlight is a compact survival-style tool that combines a flashlight, power bank, and folding knife into a single device designed for everyday carry. Instead of filling your pockets with separate gear, this all-in-one unit keeps light, power, and cutting capability together in a streamlined package. At the center of the design is a high-output 400-lumen LED flashlight with 3 modes: high, low, and strobe. On high power, it produces a beam that reaches about 167 meters, delivering strong visibility for navigation, inspection, or emergency signaling. Runtime varies by mode, with approximately 2.3 hours on high and up to 13 hours on low, giving users flexibility between brightness and battery life. Power is handled by a rechargeable internal battery, and the device doubles as a USB power bank, allowing it to charge smartphones or other USB-powered electronics in the field. Cutting capability comes from a 3-inch folding blade made from 420 grade stainless steel, a corrosion-resistant steel commonly used for utility knives. The blade can be removed with a single screw, allowing the tool to be carried more safely in environments where knives may be restricted. The body itself is built from anodized aircraft-grade aluminum, providing water and impact resistance while keeping the tool lightweight enough for daily carry. In its compact form, the unit measures roughly 5 inches long and weighs about 0.44 pounds, expanding to about 8.3 inches when the blade is open. When your gear hits the water, there are only 2 outcomes: everything gets soaked or everything stays completely dry. That's the challenge floating waterproof dry bag backpacks are designed to solve. What began as a simple roll-top sack has evolved into serious outdoor gear built for kayaking, rafting, heavy rain trekking, and flood-prone environments where equipment cannot get wet. Modern dry backpacks use tough materials ranging from 500D to 1000D fabrics. Traditional models often rely on PVC tarpaulin, a highly durable material, though it tends to be heavier and less flexible. Newer designs increasingly use TPU laminated nylon, which is lighter, more environmentally friendly, and remains flexible in cold temperatures without cracking. Water protection is usually measured using IPX waterproof ratings. IPX6 rated backpacks can withstand powerful water jets and heavy rain from any direction, making them suitable for kayaking or storm conditions. IPX7 rated designs provide even stronger protection, surviving submersion in about 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes, which helps safeguard electronics and essential gear if the bag briefly ends up underwater. Effective waterproofing depends on more than the fabric alone. High-quality dry backpacks use welded seams and roll-top closures that form an airtight seal when folded several times and clipped shut. This system prevents water from entering even during strong splashes, waves, or sudden downpours, keeping the contents dry when conditions turn rough. You don't need a ladder, a chainsaw, or a risky climb to trim high tree branches. The Camillus High-Limb Branch Saw proves it. This simple yet brilliant tool lets you cut overhanging limbs while staying safely on the ground. Instead of climbing or handling a powered saw, you sling its weighted handle over the branch, then pull both ends of the rope to power the blade back and forth until the branch is cut cleanly. At the core of the saw is a 20-inch dual-direction chainsaw blade with teeth spaced at 0.375 inches. Each pull cuts wood in both directions, eliminating wasted strokes or repositioning and making it highly efficient on branches of varying thickness. The saw includes 40 feet of durable cordage, 20 feet on each side, giving you reach up to several tree feet overhead. A patent-pending weighted handle helps you throw the line accurately over the target branch, even at awkward angles, ensuring precise placement every time. When the job is done, the entire saw folds neatly into a compact storage pouch with a belt loop, keeping it organized, portable, and ready for the next task. Additional features make it ideal for outdoor work. The blade is corrosion-resistant, the cord is weatherproof, and the lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended use. This combination of safety, efficiency, and portability makes the Camillus High-Limb Branch Saw an essential tool for homeowners, arborists, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Step into rugged terrain with confidence. The Venom Gator V2 from Hunter Settlement is built to give your lower legs serious defense in snake country and rough backcountry conditions. This isn't just another piece of outdoor clothing, it's a purpose-engineered gaiter with thoughtful protection where you need it most. What sets the Venom Gator V2 apart is its Fang Shield internal membrane, a protective layer developed and tested against snake fangs from a variety of Australian species. While Hunter Settlement clearly states these gaiters aren't guaranteed snake-proof, real-world testing shows they resist penetration and add a critical layer of defense when paired with thick boots and durable pants. Built tough from the ground up, the V2 uses double-stitched 500 denier cordura lining and heavy-duty YKK zippers to withstand abrasion, punctures, and repeated use. Every seam, zip, and closure is reinforced with heavy-duty stitching so the gaiters hold up under serious wear. Comfort and fit matter in the field. Quick-adjust webbing straps make putting them on and taking them off easy, while twin riveted lace hooks lock the gaiter securely over your boot and lower leg. Reinforced stress points and heavy-duty webbing loops give added endurance, and the sleek sculpted design minimizes bulk without sacrificing protection. At about 350 grams per gaiter in a size medium, the V2 balances protection and mobility, letting you move freely through brush, rocks, and trail without feeling weighed down. The Dugdale FHSD2 is a custom fixed-blade survival knife handcrafted by maker Dan Dugdale, who is known in the knife community for thoughtful, performance-oriented blades. Its design uses a high-quality D2 tool steel blade, a semi-stainless steel prized for excellent edge retention and wear resistance, especially useful in outdoor and survival tasks where sustained cutting performance matters. The blade's fixed blade layout means there are no hinges or moving parts to fail, making it reliable for utility work, bushcraft, food prep, wood processing, and general field tasks. D2 steel's hardness and toughness help it resist deformation and maintain a sharp edge under demanding conditions, though it benefits from regular maintenance to prevent surface oxidation. Custom examples of the Dugdale FHS series typically feature a full tang construction, where the blade steel runs the full length of the handle, improving strength and balance for heavy use. Handles are often finished in robust materials like G10 or micarta, which are textured, moisture-resistant composites that offer secure grip in wet or cold environments. These knives are usually lightweight and compact enough for everyday carry, yet strong enough for outdoor tasks, striking a balance between portability and performance. They also tend to be individually made rather than mass-produced, which gives each one a level of craft quality and attention to detail that collectors and outdoor users appreciate. You are looking at something that almost feels like it came out of a survival manual written by a minimalist. A fishing reel so small it fits in your pocket, yet still lets you land real fish. This is the UFO Rodless Reel, a compact fishing system engineered for hikers, survivalists, and travelers who refuse to carry a full rod and tackle kit. Instead of hauling bulky gear, this device strips fishing down to its essentials and packs the entire reel into a tiny metal puck you can carry anywhere. Despite the size, this is not a novelty gadget. The reel is built entirely from metal, featuring an anodized aluminum spool and core paired with stainless steel hardware and handle components. That combination gives the reel high corrosion resistance and the strength needed for real outdoor use. Folded down, the reel measures only about 3 inches across, making it small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, backpack pouch, or emergency survival kit. For anyone counting every ounce on a hike or backcountry trip, that level of portability is the whole point. What makes the design clever is how it replaces the traditional rod setup. Instead of attaching to a pole, the reel works as a handheld casting system. You control the line directly with the reel body, allowing you to cast from shorelines, docks, riverbanks, or boats while maintaining full control over line release and retrieval. Inside the compact frame sits an unusually complex mechanism, a 35 ball bearing system. Those bearings reduce friction and allow the spool to rotate smoothly when casting or retrieving line, helping maintain consistent tension when a fish hits. By now, you've seen how the right gear can turn a dangerous situation into a manageable one. If any of these gadgets caught your eye or made you rethink your own setup, hit like, share this video with someone who values being ready, and subscribe for more survival gear that pushes the limits of innovation and practicality. Before you go, drop a comment telling us which gadget you'd trust most when it matters, because the right tool at the right moment can make all the difference.